Good morning. I'm stopping by our local Dollar Tree. It's been a couple months since I've been here. Social distancing wise, they have a sign on the door. The hours are shortened and I think it limits how many people, but there's never really that many people in the store, so it doesn't really matter. And for whatever reason, all the carts are gone. Like, there was 2 carts right here. I don't know why. There's usually a lot more carts than that. I do see they have tape. But there is no like arrows or anything. I've watched a couple Dollar Tree hauls where other stores are making everything one way, but not my Dollar Tree. I see they already have 4th of July stuff out. I'm on a mission. I'm not really here to look at all the stuff that they have. I am redoing my bathroom. I got distracted by toys. Redoing my bathroom closet, and so I want some storage containers. I do feel like my store is always a hot mess, not always the cleanest, always boxes everywhere, everything is disheveled, so I really don't go to this Dollar Tree a lot. I've definitely seen a lot nicer ones. Right now I'm looking at the solar stake lights. I want some for my shell garden, and so I pick up, I think, 6. Anyway, I have seen some awesome Dollar Tree hauls. Unfortunately, this is not an awesome Dollar Tree. I found a couple nice things, but overall, it doesn't get nearly as much good stuff as other Dollar Trees. And we also have a problem with like staffing. Like, nobody wants to work at this store, and so they're always short-staffed. There's always a help wanted sign on the door. And then I pick up a watering jug. We are growing some plants on the deck, so I decided I needed a cheap watering jug. So the main reason I go to this Dollar Tree is they have some craft supplies that I use. They did not have them this time. They haven't had them for a while. That's the problem with Dollar Tree. Sometimes it's hit and miss, and they don't have what I need. And I did just notice there's like red lines on the ground, so I guess that helps you social distance from people. But honestly, there's really never more than 2 or 3 people in this store at a time, so don't think it's really an issue. I'm looking at the packaging supplies, and I don't need anything. This is more crafty stuff. This is look at the book section. Oh my god, it's just a mess. A real mess. I look at it says jumbo coloring book, but it's super thin, so it's like, yeah, I did not get it. It's just way thin. All these books are super thin. But, you know, that's how the Dollar Tree, everything is like smaller than a typical thing at a different store. That's how they only charge $1. Alright, so I decided no coloring books. Here are the cleaning supplies. A couple of empty spots. Like, here's a whole row of this. So I don't know what is normally on that shelf. Lots of like empty shelves. Here's, I don't know, DVDs just thrown up. Crazy. Yeah, lots of red lines. I don't know why they think they need that many lines, because like I said, this store is rarely crowded. So here's tons of empty shelves. So this looks like this is like a toiletry section. And I see an empty spray bottle. I decide to get a spray bottle. I had been using like a Windex bottle to spray water on my plants, but it's just looking, I think I broke it, so happy to get a new water bottle. Just looking around, looking at the empty spots. So I'm not necessarily for sure, I don't necessarily think there's empty spots because of a supply shortage at this store. I think there's empty spots because there's just not enough employees to keep this store well stocked. Every time I come in, there's always someone stocking. Usually it's the cashier, so then when you're ready to check out, you have to find the cashier and tell her you're ready to check out. And lotion was on the bottom. So I grab this little container of Dove face cream. It's a good travel. I travel a lot. That's what I like in my travel bag, and so I got another one. And then they have a lot of little toiletries, and I was thinking about picking up some toiletries, but then my travel bag is pretty well stocked, so I just, decided, no, it's okay. It's easy to get distracted with the cute little travel size stuff, but we haven't been able to travel, like, the state of the world, the whole pandemic. We had a vacation planned in April, it was canceled. We have a trip planned in May. It most likely will be canceled. I'm hoping it won't be. I'm still buying stuff with the off chance that it's not going to be canceled. But my last travel was in January, so I'm definitely feeling the urge to travel. I just realized it's a bad time. And they have bread. I just, 50 cents. I don't know. I don't need any bread. I just thought that was cool. I've mentioned before our Dollar Tree, as you can see, there's no refrigerators. Okay, so here's the whole reason I came, for the plastic storage. And right off the bat, I'm extremely disappointed. So their storage containers constantly change colors. And last time I was here, they had really nice, like a deep navy blue and a gray. And now with it being summer, as you can see, it's a red, white, and blue. Definitely not what I want in my bathroom. So I'm really bummed by all the colors, and it just makes me regret not buying the containers last year when I had the chance. So yeah, they constantly change out, not constantly, they change out these color schemes of all these containers. So last time I was here, they weren't these bright summery colors. I end up grabbing a bunch of white. I'll show in a minute. I'm just debating, I'm just like, I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. I was kind of bummed. I'm really gung-ho about cleaning out my bathroom closet, and I just don't like any of the selection. But it doesn't have to be perfect, because this is a closet that I'm the only one who's going to be looking in. It's not like a show closet. So I end up getting 10 white kitchen tubs, those blue deep containers, these whites, and those gray. And I probably got way too many containers, but that's fine. I'll find other uses for them if I don't use them. And then at checkout, here's the toilet paper. They have plenty of toilet paper. They do have a sign limiting the toilet paper. I didn't get any. I have plenty of toilet paper. But I just found it interesting. They had toilet paper. And then here I came home, spent $35, and at checkout, I got some candy. I couldn't resist. So that's it. That's my Dollar Tree haul.